abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini ekudwini.
Salibonani guys, how are you? Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Dep3 Events, in company dealing events management. Guys, whatever event that you're planning, get in touch with Dep3 Events. Iyakunika sound engineering services, PA systems, stage hire, lighting solutions, even special effects. Whenever you need smoke machines, fog machines, just get in touch with Dep3 Events. My name is Nonduduzo Ncube. Angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no General. Guys, before General elibingelela, I just want to tell you ukuthi I had fun with your comments. Keep it up, guys. Qhubekani ngomsebenzi omuhle likhomenta. Ama comments la afaka last week. Angibusisa kakhulu. Qhubekani ngihleke kakhulu. You just made my day.
Yeah, Salmonani, hello, Magadini, Lishap. Yeah. This is your boy General Leslie umfana oyiwani ohlekisa ukobulawayo abanye benzokwaba bakwenza angikwazi ukuthi kuthiwa kuyini. It has been an interesting week. Besibala ama comments lono, and I promise you vele ngingakavali this episode I'm going to read all comments. And by all I mean wonke anwanya phombuko, especially lapha ekade nithethiswa khona kakhulu lapha. That's why I'm going to read most. But ngiyalithanda lonke. That's the whole purpose of Enkundleni Exclusive, to bring out these issues and sizwe ukuthi lani licabangani, sizwe ukuthi lani lifisani. So through your comments we now can engage with you, we now can relate with your emotions. So keep on commenting guys. Ipoiza leli but this week ngicela lami linike break like lishaye kakhulu ngale kumancu ngala. But well, special thanks to Okuhle Designs. Like I said last week, ngicela ufake iposter lami, iposter lami, babona ukuthi iOkuhle Designs yenzani. I'm going to be giving you more things. Okuhle Designs ngamaposter. If you need poster design, if you need t-shirt printing, if you need cap printing, if you need banners, whatever that you need that has to do with graphic designings, ngithi hamba khathesi, contact Okuhle Designs kuma details engiwafake lapha daza, ubona ukuthi bayakwenzela something masinya. Even mawufuna i-app ntwana yami, mawufuna bakufakele okuli-app kwakho, so yenzi Okuhle Designs ama-app.
Ama-app atholakala kumagaya.
Oh.
That's where you get apples.
So bese mphumisa keni lapha.
Yeah, I think usulahla abantu and you just need $10 ngakho nje kuphela ukuthi uzitholele i-app lakho.
I-app $10.
Yeah. Liqalisele ku-5. Liqalisele ku-5.
Into lezi zingikhutha njani?
I-app liqalisele ku-$5.
Yeah.
And then because of demand.
Yeah.
Laselikhwela la ku-10.
Ngingakaqalisa ukubuzisisa. Ngicabanga nje ukuthi i-app leli kuthiwa lisiza ngani? Because i-app anti-app lapha $4.
Afanani. So guys.
Awafanani?
Yes, afanani. So guys, what is happening? We saw ukuthi Prophet Magaya, the Prophet
Walter Magaya.
Yes, Prophet Walter Magaya was selling apples, anointed apples, for $5 each. And then because of demand, overwhelming demand, apples akwela agcina sesiya ku-$10 each, and people were buying apples like no man's business. So the guy made lots of money. I think he made thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars, because athe phelile ama-apple lana kwathiwa kuzabuye enye 20-ton truck full of apples at $10 each. So i-apple leli kuthiwa ungalidla awuphinde ulambe futhi. In other words, you get angazi ngibuzathola ukudla, ngibuzathola imali yokuthenga ukudla, kumbe isisu sakho isesizahlala sisuthi. I don't really know how it works, but i-point isekuthini i-apple leli ungalidla.
When ufundile mnandi grade 7. Kari i-apple alivuli appetite.
Kuchiyene leli li-anointed.
So
akufana
isihlahla zakhona sahlanyelwa sathelelwa nge-anointing oil.
I think ama-apple akhulekelwe afakwa something, Holy Spirit or something along those lines. Uyazi ukuthi indaba ezinje ziyethusa ngoba uyabukhuluma uphinde uyesaba ukuba blasphemous.
Yeah. That's true.
Ngapho ufuna ukuba objective ukhulume ngapha.
But it's not the first time that we're seeing an Apple trend.
We also
Yes.
saw, there was a time we saw bricks.
No,
So
even the apples.
I'm just
yeah.
hoping nxa bekhona abathengayo izitina sifuna ukuthi izindlu zakhona selazithenga na,
Eh.
selazakha na, because it's been quite a number of years indaba yezitina. Angisakwazi ukuthi owayethengisa izitina mbani, but one of these high profile prophets
I know, it was the other one. I
kuthiwa
won't
ungaba
mention names.
lesitina, ungathenga isitina sakhona,
I know.
ungathenga isitina sakhona, you will not have an accommodation problem again. You can build or buy a house.
And like I was saying, there was a guy, I think his name was Fotrick or something. He was also a prophet. Nguye waqalisa ngento yama app. Wahlupha sibili, I think it was around 2013 or so. Wahlupha sibili because at some point wabuya large sitho. Lama vele yena kwasokuthiwa ngu-Apple prophet. Guys, if you go online and check, vele he was famous. Then kulabantu abaningi abathengayo ama-Apple lawana bemfuzisisa ukuthi alilambanga yini kumbe la currency liyangena kwesipala phala lidinge isinkwa la.
Mina, I saw.
What's happening, guys? Help us.
I was watching the pictures in the content ngendaba yonale, and what I noticed is abantu abagcwala entweni lezi yitho mama.
Thank you.
Abantu abagcwala entweni zena lezi ezama apples lani yitho mama. And ungakhangela, I could be wrong, but if you check if you check even lezi tina, it was mostly women. So ngiphinde futhi ngiziphikise ukuthi vele church kugcwele abantu abangomama. So sina singasakwazi ukuthi kanti bomama iproblem yethu ingaphi. Mbe ithe sihlupheka kakhulu. I don't know. I think maybe thina ithe sihlupheka kakhulu ukuthi sigcina sihamba sidinga usizo and people end up taking advantage of us.
Mina into engayikhuthaza uZulu, like angazi kumbe futhi namhlanje zambhesha. But into engayikhuthaza uZulu, guys, like if ungasebenzisa critical thinking and uvuke ekuseni even ungela O level, even ungela grade 7 and udinge kuphela ukuthi okule msebenzi engadinga isikolo kungaphi, uye builder, uye plumber, uye welder, whatever that you can do, and ungathatha impilo yakho uyifake ekuthini ngizaba ngumuntu wempilo yami, ngizasebenzela ngithole konke nguthola, whether mfuqa isikanika, whether ngithanyela istrada, whether ngihamba ngiwatshela abantu, and you won't find yourself usentweni zokuthi uthwasume, because ku-associated kakhulu lobuvila, because you don't want to work, and so you feel like ngingathatha i-apple leli lizancedisa or lizanika imali, because umuntu ovuka every day esiye trade good lapha esiyalwela amacala abantu eliloya and aqede lo ikhese yakhe sidliwe lo sewinile what akasoze abe lesikhathi sokucabanga ukuthi i-apple lizanika imali. Ucabanga ukuthi what's the next case that I have to solve? Even i-boys la ezithengisela ethawuthayo, right? Ebizela imchova amagwegwana ayikhaya i-app ikhaya ukuthi amapholisa angafika kumele sibaleke, kumele ngezo icabanga ukuthi imali yami ngiyithola njani.
Do you know ukuthi, can I tell you something, Leslie? Do you know ukuthi you find ukuthi there's a lot of people who go to these events and these churches ababe bengalama problems emali. Did you see there was, I think a few months back there was another lokuzenini abanye imkhuhlana, there's a lot of stuff, but there was an interesting church event eyayenzakala futhi. I don't know whether it was a camp or what. Marriage. Abafazi so. Do you know ukuthi ingabona ukuthi it seems like marriage is still such a big deal for a lot of people, to an extent yokuthi umuntu uyaze asetshenziswe, exploitwe just because they are looking for marriage.
Yeah, and also nyasaba man.
It's a safe space. It's a safe space.
It's no longer safe. Angazi no lina yini phela the elder sisters and what. And Mina, I feel like our young sisters have to go through something, an induction or something, and because we get carried away too much, especially nge-drip and other things. Nxa usase kuma 18, 19 and awuchuzi umjida nge-potential alayo, uchuza umjida nge-Nike aligqokileyo or nge-Gucci ayigqokileyo. And most of these niggas abagucharizayo and ngabantu nje ukuthi bagciniwe nje and bagcinwa for the rest of their lives. Angilwi, but I'm just saying, if ngabe umuntu uyatrainwa ukuthi ungakakhangela ukuthi ngigqokeni, at least uzwe ukuthi ngireasona njani. Do my words have a future? Kukhona yini ngiyakha uthiwa ngemiskhiwe ngiyaqoqa. Amazwi amayakha yini ikusasa? Because people get lost in that. And yinto egcina ibulala ama-marriages. I remember ngisesikolo kule boys eyayigqoka yonke into eyayifuna. And that guy, asuye yedwa isikolo owafeyila. A lot of guys failed i-O-level, but abaningi ngiyahlangana labo, abanye baku-construction, abanye ba-drive ama-truck, abanye benzana. And yena ulokhu dependent because wa-introduce ku-system yokwenzelwa yonke into. So akazange abe le ngqondo yokuthi ngifuna ukuzenzela. And imagine wena usuyendele emuntwini onjalo. Owazi ukuthi memvuka ekuseni ngizilalele, then the next thing usuhlala endlini ekamamazala labo auntie.
But you know
and
what,
what
Leslie, you're not wrong. But I think in Indaba, it's no longer that. Well, yes, that is included. But ungakhangela nti even abantu esithi khona they are self-sufficient, hardworking people, hardworking men. Ungakhangela you find ukuthi vele ama-marriages vele khathesi these days awasa last.
Yeah.
And kulabanye ukuthi babe behleze ezindlini anti kungayisikho ukuthi i-marriage siyaphela kudala kusele isithupha somtshado kuphela kodwa bahlezi yabo. So thina esiphandle sebesikubona njenge-marriage but iyabe yaphela kudala i-marriage eqinisweni. I think ikhathesi anti ileyo ukuthi abantwana bayathatheka and stuff. I think into vele eyayivele ikhona and okunzima ukuthi siyibalekele ukuthi isinengi khathesi because of i-social pressure esikhona. Isi more prevalent because of the social pressure abantwana sebe exposed to. But I think i-society yakhathesi we need to adapt lathi njengabantu. I'm not anti-marriage, but my point is ekuthini not everyone is destined to marry or get married. And not all marriages are destined to last. Akhona vele azahluka. Umuntu lo muntu kumele abekwazi ukuthi okumsebenzelayo kuphi. And abantu shouldn't get into these institutions because of social pressure ukuthi abantu bazathini sengikhulile. Kulomunye umuntu ade ngikhuluma la esithi khona indoda kumele ithathe umfazi kumele ayende. Kumele.
Yeah, kumele can be a bit wrong. Mina kuphela lapho engichoyo. I'm more concerned ngalabo abafuna. And ongafuniyo vele it's okay like yazikhethela.
But abanye bangenela khona lokho phela ukuthi
ngihlupheka ngokuthi
isimilo sami kuyabe kunganithiwa sikho right if I'm not married.
Mina ngihlupheka kakhulu ngokuthi uyafuna sibili wholeheartedly and even nxa usiyaphiwa i-app ngale.
Ochadala uyafuna yini?
Uphiwa i-app le marriage.
Ochadala uyafuna yini?
Besides that, i-problem esuke ibe khona mancuba ukuthi especially thina madoda because thina madoda khathesi maybe engxenye yisurvey yami engiyenzileyo but I feel like amadoda yiwo aqalayo khathesi ukudinwa especially ama-marriage lawa because ungakhangela ukuthi ama-divorce asuka abe ngani maningi. I read an article singena kumnyaka wona lo and that was saying kube lama-divorce amaningi kakhulu especially koBulawayo. Angazi ukuthi wayebethanda ukubhala kakhulu ngoBulawayo. So I feel like amadoda aphangisa ukudinwa because siyacomparewa kakhulu and abo Chivayo they will flash and the other guys abo Scott they will flash man and then mina ngingubhilida njalo and most of the time ngingcolile izandla zami azikho soft and zibamba izitina and but I can make 1,000 ngenyanga and but 1,000 yami lana ngi-cautious because ngiyithola nzima so ngingathola 1,000 yami into engigaya uqala ukuthi kumele ngakho umuzi wami empembesi ngithenge inkomo zami before I think of buying new heels and makeup and what and wena kulomunye umjida ngale maybe focused but not focused as I am or privileged more than me and ukuthi mina lapha ngithole khona 300 yena uthole 3,000 and then sengicompare mina ukuthi akela uDlovu ngalo uthengele umfazi wakhe imoto akele umfazi lona bahamba out every Friday
Well,
ukuthina
let me
ngicela ngithi
argue-
lokho kwama marriage
let me
akusebenzi
argue
lokho
with you on that. And let me argue with you on that. I think into leyi it's both sides. It's both sides ekuthini omama bakathesi women these days abasafanani labo mama bethu.
yeah
Our mothers babebekezela.
yeah true
Babebekezela ukuthi kwesisikhathi uyabubona ukuthi ya
Labo
umfazi
belahla
umfazi
la.
lo usechudukile lo. Kodwa hlala athi nsi.
yeah
Uyabo? And khathesi omama sebekhona khathesi that patience ayisekho. That perseverance ayisekho. Uyabona? And I think besides issue yokuzisebenza vele indlela i-society yona iyatshintsha even i-behavior yabantu.
Yeah.
People are now exposed to a lot of things. And mina people always judge me nxa sikhuluma i-marriage nsithi when we talk about marriage, what's in it for me as a woman? A lot of women are asking themselves the same question. Because thina ungakhangela omama bethu uzathola ukuthi kulabanye omama ubaba wayesebenza nanti umama la esebenza kumbe uyathengisa kumbe uyenzani. You will find ukuthi umama wayesithi nxa endlini wayesiba ngumama abe submissive and everything khona khiyana lokhu zenina liyana iyayivela ikhona ukuthi umama kumele abe ngumama onjani endlini abe ngumama ayenze yonke into but aphume ayesebenza aphinda aphenduke azoba umama endlini ubaba esebenza. So you find ukuthi umama wayecontributor more to the household than ubaba. Nxa sesihlanganisa konke financially lama duties and everything wayecontributor more. Khathesi vele ngizabe sengikhangela ukuthi mina ngiyasebenza ngapha kumele ngibe ngumama endlini ngapha kumele nakekele indoda ngapha what's in it for me? And you find ukuthi nxa zishubile njengakhona ukuthi endlini sezishubile mina ngiyasebenza ngile income angisabekezeli ngoba ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngingachiya mina kimi kuzaba ngcono than nxa ngilayo ugayi lo. You see, and futhi ungakhangela even the parents ama-parents ethu akufanani laba kudala. Kudala unkazana wayesithi angathi mina sembuyela baqala bamhlalise phansi umuzi mntanami umuzi uyabekezelelwa umuzi alayi unkazana azacina ethi alright what is push. Khathesi mina ubaba methi umntanami vele nxa ehlutshwa kabuye nxa ekuhlupha mlethi. You see, which is not a bad thing to a certain extent, but I feel ukuthi is also contributing to it. Ngoba mina unganhlukuluza nje uthi phela mina ngikhanga ngixotshwanga. Mina I can go back home. Ubaba athi nxa uhlutshwa buya mntanami.
Then usubuyele.
Sengizihambe. So angisela that fight in me yokuthini yokuthi uthiwa ngizalwela umendo. Dala omama bethu babekwenza. Khathesi women don't do that.
And to a certain extent it helped us ukuthi mama babelwela umendo and because ungakhangela even kwakukubi njani at least wawusiba le privilege of growing with both parents kushuba kunjalo and but khathesi
it was an advantage for you
thina nje abantwana
phela yes ngoba
thina nje abantwana bekusiza but now I'm looking at it ukuthi like in number yabantu abasebenzisa izibongo zabo mama but sisibanengi and konkhana
the family unit
sokulimaza entweni eziningi and abanye abalesintu sabo kusuka kubahluphe phambili ngala and not everyone though.
I'm glad we are talking about this. I'm glad we are talking about this. It goes in line with my upcoming novel. Isihlalo sikababa guys.
So like I was saying ukuthi abalesintu sibela bembethwa isintu phambili ngale kusuka sokuhluphe because sokumele udinga ubaba awukwazi ukuthi ungapha and usumtholile sokumele ungani ngonce ngayo and all that kusuka ukuhlupha and so I stand to be corrected but I feel like is system it has type of education esiyitholayo to a certain extent futhi iyasilimaza because siba le knowledge that defiles, knowledge engasincedi ngalutho. So you feel like mina le O level le A level and I have a degree in accounting and so angisoze ngincenge indoda but awula umsebenzi wakho no accounts. So uyabusule pride lena yokuthi I have this and I have this and but even if singabuyela kudala kibolozi
Claim
K
maintenance kanti.
kibolozi K there were
Anti claim maintenance ngingawuchiya ngala income. Uzanginike imali, uzanginike imali.
so yikweshako ni accounts zakho.
You give me money because
Alright.
we saw enye divorce eke yaba popular. Divorce ka boss we Kingdom Blue. And the wife was demanding, was it spousal maintenance, $1,200
a month.
Yes, uyakuholela ukuthi kade ngingumfazi wakho. So
I-accounts ziyasifana
ungangitshela ukuthi
lapha.
angila mali mina uba imali ngilayo.
Wo imali wuwe. Ngiyaqala ukuyidla singadivorce. No but I don't kuyizinto kwakhona kuba yipattern no ukuthi umthatho uthole nge-app awusoze maintain sharp sharp
khangela
ecela 1.2.
khangela into ekade ngiyikhuluma ukuthi society yethu sitshintshile. Do you think marriage can be appealing to a young girl oziholela something like 10,000 rands a month nge OnlyFans?
Yeah.
Do you think that's possible?
No.
Can marriage be appealing to me? Let's say, for instance, it's me. I've got my OnlyFans account. Angikaya emsebenzini la. Ngiyashutela nje ekseni ngiyageza ngishutele nje ekseni angikaya emsebenzini asikaba le yami engisebenzayo. I shoot my content and I post it. Ngenyanga I get my $10,000, my 10,000 rands. And lapha sikhuluma nge-upcoming OnlyFans content creator. Because we saw an article, unkazana uMandlovu. I think it's Nomsandlovu, if I'm not mistaken, but it's a Ndlovu girl. She's got an OnlyFans account. She's a Zimbabwean woman, according to Herald. She's a Zimbabwean woman, young woman based in SA. And she's an OnlyFans content creator. So she's getting more than 10,000 rands per month.
That's money.
Do you think wena nxa uzamlanda lo nkazana, obviously let's be realistic. Nxa ungamthanda enjalo, you would expect her to stop being an OnlyFans content creator. Let's be honest. Anti amakhiwa kuphela angakwekeli angachada le porn star ayeke li continue ngoba i-porn star or uba i-OnlyFans content creator. Yeah. But thina isikhuluma ngabantu abamnyama la, you would obviously want her to stop.
Yeah.
Do you think she will agree to that?
Yeah, andobona ukuthi aza agree and somele mbe ku level ka C. Ngikwazi ukumeasure istandard emalini because ngingekho ku level ka C ngibe sensithi my sister ikela phela amangwanda lawo wathuna la yena bese uthi ngenza 10,000.
Let me ask you an interesting question. Who benefits more ku marriage? Umfazi kumbe indoda?
Kulama benefits vele u marriage.
It's a partnership. This is a partnership. Marriage is a partnership. So ngisho ukuthi ku partnership le marriage. Obviously kumele kube lama benefits kungena ku relationship. Anti i-marriage yona ngwayo as a partnership between a man and a woman. Who gets more out of it?
Yes.
Be honest.
Hayi
let's be Zwana umfazi wakho akathola ispousal maintenance anti leyo sedivorceile. Asikhulume ngabantu abathandanayo i-couple isichadile umama uyasebenza ubaba uyasebenza. Who is benefiting from the institution?
Ungafuna ukumphambanisa. Mina mfuthada next year. Ungangenzi ngiqalisa ukuweka lapho ukuthi i-benefit yami how many percent against the benefit
Zwana ngutshela. Let me tell you something. I think a man benefits more. That's why it's no longer appealing for women. A significant number of women, they are not interested in marriage.
How benefits? What exactly are we talking about?
We're talking about ku institution lay. Who puts more work? Who gets more from less? Who puts more work and gets less?
Ya eqinisweni sibili engingake mfuna ukulibalekela. Omama bebesebenza nzima because anti mina ndise-industry for example.
Mm.
Andi ngikhuluma nge-setup yabo baba labo mama. So ndise-industry and so ngise-industry ngale kunzima but akukho nzima nje ukugcina umuzi inkomo zonke zimele besharp uthango kumele lubiwe
You're talking of a
kumele
rural
kulinywe.
setup.
Anti ngikhuluma ukuthi obaba bebesebenza ngapha etown omama besebenza ngale emakhaya so ngesikhathi lesana omama bebesebenza nzima mina bembuya kuphela lento eqhakathekileyo which is money because konke lokho awubengekakwenza kungela
Okay.
mali and but bebesebenza nzima and then khathesi ku setup esikiyo khathesi and mina maybe ngingu truck driver unkosikazi ngunesi silonkazana oncedisayo endlini
Usukhuluma abantu usufaka abantu abayi-3. Let's talk about 2 people.
hayi phela
Like,
akwenzi vele ukuthi libe babili nxa lonke lisebenza.
Let me tell you something. There are families out there ukuthi umama lo baba bayasebenza. But umama endlini kumele abe ngumama. Ubaba abe yinhloko yomuzi. Let's talk about singakhulumi ngama fantasies awe social media. Let's talk about what is on the ground. Mana phela ngisakhuluma. So you find ukuthi the wife is working, the husband is working. Nxa sifika endlini inhloko yomuzi, mina ngikuthiwa inhliziyo yomuzi. And when we get home, you expect a meal.
Yeah, I do.
You expect a meal.
I do. I
Auntie,
expect a meal.
Meal
Yes.
dining room.
Yes,
Le meal
yes.
ye bedroom. Auntie,
Yeah.
right. The kids are there. Kumele bancedisiwe umuntu.
Bageze.
Bageze, bathintini, balungiswe, bayelala. Kuvuka ekuseni, I have to wake up earlier than everybody. Fix food for the kids. Fix food for you.
Hayi pari
Weekend, I must do laundry, ironing, cleaning the house and stuff. Sikhuluma nge-reality ekhona kathesi esiphila la. Let's talk about emalokitshini lapho esikhona. Singakhulumi ngama elitist labo ukuthi kule washing machine ukuthi kwathiwa nkqwi indoda iyapheka yathi no. Let's talk about emalokitshini lapho esihlala khona. Sikhulume nge-setup yegwabalanda.
ukuwomela no akucontribute yini khonapho
Zwana.
because nxa sonke singu-2 sisebenza and amfuni kuba offensive but ngiyachecka like emagroupini ama-domestic workers and usiso encedisayo they are paid less than $100.
Right.
Abosisi abancedisayo.
Elayinini
So,
yakho Leslie.
mina
Elayinini yakho lapho ohlala khona. How many households have maids?
mayibo mina amamakhelwana mbazi yeah so angitsho because I think ukuwomela khonapho kuyabe sokungenile emulini nale because alright asikhulume alright ngama-average jobs and ukuthi maybe mina ngisebenza angazi maybe ngiyakha and maybe I'm a builder and ngenza
Ama-maids malutshwane guys.
I agree.
Hey.
Do you know why ama-maids emalutshwane kasi and omama abaningi abavele kasi ngabomama abasebenza imisebenzi yomsika ababuya besizoyenza umsebenzi wobuvenda etown and what and pari asikhulume ngokuthi
I'm contributing financially to the home.
pari
Yes.
andi umholo wakho usuke ube mfitshane so awusivumeli njengemuli ukuthi sinjani sibe lo siso encedisayo but ngikhuluma ngesetup yokuthi umama maybe ngumbalisi engwalongwalo
Why are you choosing a financially stable home?
yikho phela bengiqalele khona
Let's talk about the
mina
majority of Zimbabweans.
bengiqalele ku-financial step
Zwana ngikutshela.
bengibuya lapho kunzima khona nti ukuthi for example mina ngidrive umchova then umama uthengisa umsika and
So in that setup, in that setup, who benefits more from the relationship? Even kulo maid, still men benefit more from a marriage.
andisoze mphikise
That's
I think
that's
maybe
why marriage is zona
i-exposure
ngikutshela.
yami
You know what? It's just that most you find ukuthi maybe abantu abaningi ama comments to they are male dominated, mostly male dominated. But if we get time, I hope you can get time. Ukuthi we ask women, what do you think about marriage? Kates. It's no longer as appealing as it used to be. Most women bazakutshela ukuthi, do you know ukuthi there are women ngabona ngelinye ilanga on Twitter, this guy posted ukuthi I had this girl we dated and stuff like that. And then Slow, she disappeared from nowhere. Then I met her at a mall. Ehamba nomntwana ofana lami exactly.
Yeah.
Do you know what there are women who do that?
Yeah.
Because they are avoiding that institution. Ngoba uyabe khangelile wacalculate, I want to know, man, into le, this is not for me. I just want a kid, that's all.
No, ubuhlungu bakhona Dinothi Bunga. As much as ubuhlungu, but I also want to agree with you because I think most of last week senza ama-workshop labantwana besikolo mainly O-level and A-level and sikhuluma nje ngekusasa ukuthi kusasa kwakho umsebenzi ekhethwayo enotorad yizo izinto kakhulu ebengizikhava ukuthi ufuna umsebenzi onjani and it's so painful ukuthi akula muntu like okhuluma nge-marriage.
Yeah.
Gibo bonke they are talking about going to Poland and graduating as doctors, going to Britain. Akula even odlula khona ukuthi sengenzile konke lokho ngaba ngo-doctor then ngifuna ukuba ku-happy marriage. And the moment you introduce marriage ku-workshop yona leyo anti guaranteed abaningi bayasukuma baqalisa ubhoda kumbe baqalisa udlasa phone.
I think we're also a generation that is whereas too much of anything is bad.
Yeah.
We are also in a generation that is too ambitious.
Yeah.
We've got too many ambitions, and almost everyone is chasing money. Too much.
Yeah.
So you find ukuthi into le guy okwezinto kwakhona kuningi kulo factors amaningi and you find ukuthi futhi enye into eyayisenza ukuthi omama bagijimela ukuyenda bosses bagijimela ukuyenda financial security. If I'm with a man, I'm going to be financially secure. And now it's no longer in the picture. Ngoba ngiyazithengisela amabhela ami, ngiyazithengisela amatamatisi.
Indlala keno, indlala mayilenza njani?
Okunwayayo vela ngeke ukuswele. Angeke ukuswele. And now imali kaThesi siyisithutha.
Alright.
Ngoba sengizicreatele i-OnlyFans yami ngizitholele imali. Nginje so lami nxa ngingayishubela kuhle. Ngizose ngilitshela ukuthi please subscribe, comment and like. Yabo. So speaking of content creation. We can't always say it's OnlyFans only.
Yeah.
There's a lot of content creation that is going on, and I'm actually so happy with Ibulawayo la ngani izalazo ngani
they're getting there
in terms of content creation. Because we are now, there was a time where we used to talk of Aslama big accounts.
Yes.
We are now getting there. We are having big accounts. I was looking at Lokuzenin account yabo Aljoy. Chicaljoy. It's got how many followers?
Close to 1 million now.
That's a huge number. That's a huge
Yeah.
number. So you find it says lati ama content creators ayeza abuya. So content creation ngiyenzela ukuthi ngingadiscourage abanye ukuthi abanye igcine seliyalisa abafazi create content esithi ngama OnlyFans kuphela. So content creation, there is a lot of even decent content that is going on khona and people are monetizing ama accounts abo. Nangiyana la uBlack Diva la uphosile yakhe content account yakhe idoublile less than a week, account yakhe yaba times 2 ama followers.
Zakhala.
So
negative or positive you content.
Hey madoda.
No, but mina lami you know what I wish to share stage the Chicaljoy as a stand-up. It's someone that I've watched for a long time. Kudala what ngingakhuluma indawo zabantu. But kudala like esaqala as comedy couple, BAA, Batata, then Gwayala, wagcina njalo. But is someone who has been consistent.
Very.
At some point why go SA's Got Talent with that Jackie.
Okay.
And ngumuntu like oqhubeke epusha and ungakhangela ngicela ngayithola lifake mbijana ukhayela ivideo yakhe ku SA's Got Talent bakithi kwakungela nyama emathanjeni kwakunzima nkosi yami yeyithixo kwakunzima kodwa wabekezela umuntu wenkosi and I'm a huge fan of these guys because yibo at some point abasifaka on the mark. And for example, I'm a stand-up, I'm a stage performer, but we have guys that are less of stage and more of social media. We can talk about Sipho Mese and ngumngane wethu sisebenza laye lapha and Khalanga lenkosi
Madlela.
Madlela what's this guy umnikazi wempuphu
Mlanga Ndimanti.
Dramatic Miss Chikal Joy, like we've got a lot now.
Nasingijo.
It's Nasingicho that have taken social media and lathi sesile pride yethu ngapha and also kubalandeli benkundleni asibalandeleni these guys lo laye is there ukuthi phela wathi
Why is it he?
oh kari wena uyini uyishi oh unoba kithi seyinkazana officially she's there ayaxolisa so silabo abantu bethu abanga that are doing well like pure content like abantu bakhala bathi siphule umsindo and bare akulenhlamba akulani
Usiphule audience yakhe, kule audience yakhe abamthanda kakhulu.
and mina into engiyithanda kakhulu and isignature yakhe you know ukuthi ungangena ku page lika Sipho and uyehlisa ivolume ngoba ziyakhala
Nxa ifoni ifili ithwa yini ispeaker awula problem
uyamuzwa uSipho. So we've got quite a lot of guys that have taken social media. I remember Dramatic Miss Uthando posted a video egita so and ngesikhathi esincane esishawa 30,000 what and so into ezenzakala and into engiyithanda kakhulu ukuthi ama video ashootayo ngama video eswazisisa ngapho ukuthi uyabona ama likes lawo lama views awathengwanga into esibile yabisenzakala for example eyabo Chikal Joy eParliament and it's something sonke besiyazi and it's something that we all understood and bakithi asingeneni ku social media mina sengizitraumatize traumatized like I promised bafethu isikhathi sokuthi mbala ama comments lapha and I hope my mom is not watching this banthuka mama banthuka banthuka wothi mbone angembale wonke but ngizaphomba ukuthi gaga nxa ngaweqanga ungazondi mfethu angeke ngwabale wonke isikhathi sethu sifitshane kunengo kumele sikhulume ngakho Njabuliso Ndlovu Njabuliso Ndlovu uthi my sister nguwe wedwa okhulume iqiniso elilengqondo kule episode iqiniso kumele likhulume ukuze izinto zilunge eZimbabwe. Yes siyavumelana lawe Njabuliso, that is very true and no ukuthi awukhuluma iqiniso. Sony Jermaine nxamphamasile ungxolele but I think it's Sony Jermaine ulimi lokho lubayo isindebele mina nxa ngisemanambiyeni kumbe emakhalangeni ngiyabezwa yena ukhulume ngesingisi wathi I hear them ngoba yindawo yabo, which is very true. Asibazweni nxa sihambe endaweni nje, that is a very positive contribution baba wami. Africa is a vibe uthi bengathola isikhathi basihloniphe actually bazasihlonipha ngenkani bhoso ngenkani befuna bengafuni basasihlonipha ziyakhala ufanele inkomo siyabonga mfowethu, you have been consistent. I think every episode I have seen you saying something. Ngiyabonga mfowethu. If you in Bulawayo, contact me. I'm giving you a ticket to my show for free on the 19th of July. Ngiyakunika ticket for my comedy show for free awubhadali. I'm giving you a VIP ticket for free. So if you're in Bulawayo, contact me via a Deb 3 and I'll give you a ticket. So ufanele inkomo uthi linjani bathandwa, mina ngiyaphila. Umasuku namuhla ngiyakuchitha kulolu daba. Indaba yolimi ithinta abantu kabuhlungu kakhulu. Mina yangiphatha kabi sure epolice ekezi uthole sukhulunyiswa isishona sure khona akuyenzi inkomo akuyenzi bakithi ukuthi ekezi ukhanye bakithi uzukhulunyiswa isishona akuyenzi inkomo bakithi akuyenzi wothi Mbale Thumo uphindile futhi ufanele inkomo. I won't read this one but yena uthe iparliament ngekazulu, which is true. Iparliament ngekazulu wayishaya futhi ufanele wathi Mancube ngihamba nawe. Mancube uhamba lo Fani, so nxa ubuya ku comedy show yami ubuye lo Fani ungabuyi wedwa. I'll read two more. Their intention is to colonize the Ndebelezi. Nguvingcube siyakuzwa. Zimbabwe will never be a colony again. Asivumi le vele benthe ngeke ukuyibala. uCharlotte Dube hayi siyakhala ngiyaxolisa Mthembo Zithembayo wani nyamazana egangela ama hips ngiyaxolisa. Uthi yena umfana lo uLeslie ngani lobu tabane thizeni bra ngi-straight ngi-straight bra but well ngiyaxolisa mfanami ngiyaxolisa kumbe ngumdala ngiyaxolisa but u-straight kodwa lesikhiwa kasichiye lesikhiwa kachiye ukusisebenzisa akakhoni lokusisebenzisa hey bakithi hayi ekucineni wasesuka wakhuluma ibala elihle engeke nilikhulume kodwa ngelokundithuka esebenzisa ingemuva yami uthe ngangemuva yami uDube hayi Dube ngiyaxolisa bakithi besithi sixoxe phela kusenkundleni uyaxoxiswana mfowethu uyaxoxisana mina ngizelo ngumasuku lojali ngibale ukucina laphana ngibale ukucina evela kuJabu 2 uthi that has been the intention ever since of undermining the other tribes. They think Shona is superior to other language, which is a shame. Wasefaka inkalakatha kamncim. Hayi bakithi ama comments siyawezwa ama comments siyawamukela siyathaba futhi ukuthi nxa thina sike saxoxa la sangani siyaphikisana lina la selibuye because imbono yenu iqhakathekile ukudlula eyami ukudlula eyethu lapha thina singabantu kuphela abaqhuba umlayezo abantu abaletha indaba lezi ukuthi asixoxeni ngakho singathuli so nxa sibona ama comments ebuya so loba nje ngani nyathukathuka nyathaba kakhulu it shows ukuthi abantu bayalandela enkundleni exclusive it shows ukuthi abantu so qhubekani likhomenda let's talk about marriages uthini uyindoda ungumfazi umdala umncane what are you saying especially young women I want to understand from you mina bakithi ndinga imali yamalobolo next year mfuna ukulibuthanisa lina lithini uyafuna yini ukuthathwa uyafuna yini ukuchata uyafuna yini ukuhlala lendoda uthini ngomendo amadoda akhona yini angathatha abafazi bakhona yini Mancube what are you saying njenge salutation
hey mina ngithi amadoda awakho bakithi kodwa But anyway guys thank you so much for tuning into Enkundleni exclusive siyalamukela siyalithanda kakhulu siyabonga ama comments please keep the comments coming siyabonga kakhulu we always enjoy being here we always enjoy talking to each other and you guys. So please do like, subscribe and follow Deb3 Events kuma platforms ayo Facebook, TikTok, Twitter. Please do follow and also subscribe khona lapho ku YouTube. Also follow us Tina ama host enu Nonduduzo Ncube across all platforms. General Leslie Mbani
GEN Leslie across all
platforms. So please do guys and also silogwalo oluphumayo ngenyanga le kaJuly ebuyayo igwalo isihlalo sika baba inoveli yesindebele so layo ikhuluma ngendaba zeneze sizikhulumayo indaba zezindlini indaba zezimulini ama marriages analawa esikhuluma kade sikhuluma ngawo so thina sifuna ukuzwa umbono wenu guys ukuthi can a marriage stand in today's society what do you think when does marriage appeal to you if it can expand sizwe izizathu zakho ukuthi kahle kahle what do you really think about indaba ye marital institution
Izoke nazoke from uMancube Nonduduzo thank you so much ngike ngangena emastradeni ngathola ama gossip angilawo ama shows amaningi esentsheliwe ngawo but ngizakhuluma lo chief ngemidweek ngizwe ukuthi what's happening around town ukwenza ukuthi phela sithole entertainment sibekwazi ukuthi abantu abethu labo baba bethu labo malume labo auntie benzani but like I said last time we still waiting on uButhelezwe ukuthi asinika ama dates but a night with Buthelezwe is coming correct la 4th of July Bulawayo Theatre confirm Bulawayo Theatre yes mhla ka 4 July iposter ngiyalifaka khonapho ngapho ngikhuluma khonapho iposter lihle bakithi okuhle designs lenza njani kanti 4th of July sisebulawayo Theatre a night with Buthelezwe akakho yedwa babe bekhona ama supporting acts laphana ama artists okubulawayo abe support Buthelezwe with your guest MC General Leslie zabe sikhala Bulawayo Theatre 4th of July libuye kwampana anti ama prize lewabona anti more details lewabona khona be posteni lifakwe so 4 July all roads lead to Bulawayo Theatre 19 July ziyakhala njalo comedy night with Leslie. No, it's not even a night, it's an afternoon because mina ngi-family friendly bafethu. So nithe ukuthi ngifake ngo-3 ukwenza ukuthi abantwana whatever like ungesabi mina phela ngiyikhuluma inhlamba kakhulu. So so family, you can bring your whole family, you can bring abantwana abancane, i-comedy ethinta across all ages. So 19 July, Sebulawayo Theatre, 3 p.m. I'll be supported by Ado, I'll be supported by Kwezi, Zabe Skala khona pana 19 July we're at Bulawayo Theatre.
The day after my birthday.
Don't worry about the ticket for it. Just come to Dep 3 events. Ubizothatha ticket lakho, it's already available. Ubusithini?
It's a day after my birthday.
Oh, it's a day after a birthday. I know, so I'll make sure we just stage in. Kule cake since Royal Car Wash la ifakile imali ku comedy yami. Special thanks to Royal Car Wash. Ama details nanga mawufugesi penzi yakho, even iwonda fit, even iphasikile liyageza, asikhethi mhlobo, asikhethi muntu. So this is what is happening around Bulawayo. Like I said last time, Ukwezi is working on something with Matopo School Choir. Bambizile Matopo, and I listened to their demo. Hey bafethu ziyakhala. Ubulawayo is growing. Ubulawayo buya lento ezinkulu. So thina asifuni ukudlalisa ithuba. I'm just waiting on comments. Maybe nxa ungangicommentela kuhle, you might ungaba lelakhi nje uzibona usule ticket likaButhelezwe ungangishanga icomment esharp. So ngilama giveaway yangu 2 awe ticket likaButhelezwe for first 2 comments anto phela. So first 2 comments usule ticket lokungena ku night with uButhelezwe, siyakufakela ku discount nyana. So 4 July sabe Sebulawayo Theatre. So this is what is happening from me, General Leslie, across all platforms. Lononduduzo Ncube across all platforms. Remember to follow Dep 3 events. Remember to follow Enkundleni exclusive across all platforms. Remember to follow Okuhle Designs and go to Okuhle Designs to get all your designs done by Okuhle Designs. From me, General Leslie, Lononduduzo Ncube, sithi salibona singalikhangela.